Hi, this is Clee Crocker with Appliance Factory Mattress Kingdom, and today I'm going to show you about the newest design for refrigeration, something called Samsung Bespoke.
Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, the nation's largest discount appliance dealer. Visit our website for deals and store locations near you.
Okay, so what is bespoke? Well, the word bespoke itself means custom, right? So bespoke means custom, and this is a custom refrigerator. So really what it is, it's a regular household, it's a high efficiency refrigerator by Samsung, but it allows you to customize the doors. And as you can see, we have different panels here and different panels here. And if you look over here, this refrigerator can put any kind of panel on that you want. So there's several different colors that you can order for this refrigerator and match it to whatever color scheme that you have. So you can get crazy. Some people are buying it with different colors on top and bottom like you see here, and some people are buying it all the same color. So it doesn't really matter, it's whatever you want to do. But behind this is a really great refrigerator, and on the outside is something that's really going to highlight your kitchen. Think about this, some people like to change the color of their kitchen every year, sometimes more than every year. They'll change all the doors out or repaint the cabinets. This is something that can go with any color scheme that you have, so that's kind of nice. So newest thing out there, it is a RF23A 9675. Right now it's on sale for $34.19. It's really at the beginning of its life. This hasn't been out for very long, but this is a traditional Samsung refrigerator. It looks really tall right now, but that's because it's sitting on top of this big podium down below. But the refrigerator itself, the cabinet of the refrigerator, is only about 71 inches high. This is about 73 inches high, so you really got to plan out, is it going to go all the way in or not? How are you going to give the space above it? But this is a counter depth refrigerator, so think about it in terms of that. The depth is going to be somewhere around 24 inches on the back side plus the doors, but you could build this in nicely. So let's take a look on the inside. I think you'll find that it's very nice. So first thing here, I've got a little hidden trigger down here. I'm going to hold this and open it up. Whoops, I missed the trigger. Let's see. There we go, got it. This is like a door-and-door refrigerator, and some of the new features of Samsung is allow you to get to the outside to be able to get nice cool water. So you can do this and just take a picture to wherever you have your drink, and it will automatically fill up, or you can use the paddle to fill up any kind of beverage. You can see this is nice and tall, so that gets those good tall tumblers that we can use. You also have access to things on the outside so that you don't have to open everything up and let all that cold release. So this idea is put the milk there, put the drink there, put whatever you want to be able to get to quickly, and then shut it back up so you don't have any refrigerant escaping, any cool air. So now I'm going to just open the whole thing up and let you see it. And you can see the top part of this thing is pretty. It's got this nice stainless steel back, which also is a cooling wall. So that's going to really be nice, and it highlights it very nice. It looks like a really expensive refrigerator. If we go here, we can see that we have the adjustable shelf. It's pretty famous for Samsung. They do that in just about every one of the refrigerators. The rest of these are nice trimmed out stainless steel trim glass. We have a UV deodorizing filter here, so that's a nice air filter to keep smells from getting in throughout your refrigerator. The great thing about this top part here is that the air is separate from what's going to be in the bottom. So the air on this side, the air on this side, the air on this side, they never touch each other, and it makes them nice and fresh. It's going to be nice and moist on the top, which makes food last longer, and drier on the bottom for the freezer section so you don't get the freezer burn. So it's really, really well done. We have the front lighting all the way through it. So what that means, this LED lighting, the fuller this gets, the brighter it gets on the inside. So that's the very best kind of lighting that you have. You also have your crispers on both sides here. So that's good for your fruits and your vegetables. In the center here, we have the water filter, so you can get in there and that just twists off and pulls, and you can replace it about every 6 months. And that will be nice. So really nice refrigerator on top with the gallon door storage here. These are lift up, removable. You can put them to different sections to make it like you want to. It's also not just your normal plastic trim. As I look on this, this is really a nice design. It's really pretty. It's different. It looks kind of high end to me, so very nice. It's a Wi-Fi refrigerator, so you will be able to have some intelligence about your refrigerator right on your phone. So that's very nice. As we shut the door and go to the bottom, On this side, we have the freezer. And on this side, we also have the freezer. But if you wanted to, you could change this into a refrigerator. So this is what they call a flex door, and that allows you to make it either freezing or they make it a refrigerator. So it's whatever you want. On this side, it's always a freezer. And if you can look in here, we have this tray, we have this holder, and this will allow you to scoop out some ice cubes. And if you do it on this side, you can scoop out some chipped ice. So that's the crushed ice, cubed or crushed, and they call it ice bits. So it's kind of nice. And then we have down here a drawer, down here a drawer, same thing on this side. So really nice, and you have storage all the way down on both sides. So there's a lot of movement that you can do on here, a lot of storage on here that's not standard on a regular refrigerator. So altogether, I'd give this refrigerator an A, and for design, I'd give it an A+, because it's very adaptable, and as the name would make you think, it is fully customizable. Thank you. Hey, really enjoyed having you this week. I hope you enjoyed your video and you learned something. If you liked what you saw, help us out. Let's like and subscribe, and we'll see you again next week.